Hey guys, what's going on? Thanks for coming back to Merely on Time. Today I just have a quick unboxing, or I should say unpackaging. This is all due to the generosity of my friend Tim. You can follow him on Instagram at Timmy the Carpenter. Good friend of mine. I've known him for years, lives in the area. He's started to get back into watches and watch collecting as a result of watching my channel. I love the fact that he is now getting into the passion for watches, and he has given me two watches to review. The first is this Armatron, and I already did a video on it. And the next watch that he has given me to review, and he thought it would be good to compare to this Armatron, is a Casio G Shock. And so this G Shock is not mine, belongs to my friend Tim. Thanks, Tim, for loaning it to me so I could do this. I'll get to rock it on my wrist for a couple of days. And then later this week, I'll be doing a full review on it. And I have reached 150 subscribers. I do have a giveaway. Click on the video that you see in the corner, that corner or that corner. I still don't know where it's going when I add the card to the video later, and you can watch it. It's just called My First Watch Giveaway. I'm giving away a 3 Leagues watch and your choice of a Timex Expedition Scout or a Casio World Time Illuminator. So it's actually going to be 2 watches given away. I've gotten, I don't know, a dozen or more comments in the video and entries, so I'd like to get some more. So do me a favor, if you like the channel, why don't you put it on social media and just see if others will join the channel as well. Just let people know about the channel Merely on Time. That would be great. All right, so today, just a quick unpackaging, my first impressions of this Casio G Shock, and then I'll do a full review of it later on. So let's turn the camera around and have a look at it, shall we? So silly me, before we unpackage this, it's not a true unboxing, it's just an unpackaging. Casio G Shock. Do me a favor and hit subscribe. If you're enjoying the channel, hit subscribe, join the Merely on Time channel, and go check out that watch giveaway video. Enter a comment in there, follow the instructions to win those 2 watches. So again, thanks to Tim for sending me this. I will say that the packaging for these is better than any of the other Casios that I have unboxed and received. It comes in, and this is all familiar to anyone that has one of these, comes in this nice tin. It looks like the model number, and I'll confirm on the back of the case back, is GA-100L 4ACR. I'm guessing that's the model number of this. The box did come with this hefty Casio instruction book, module number 5081. 5081, yeah, there it is there. Can't see it, 5081. And then it has the warranty card inside the little box as well. And nice little tin. I dig that. It's a nice small enough package if you want it to use this as a, something to travel with, put another watch in, or put your G Shock in if you're rocking another watch like I am right now. Check this beaut out. One of my faves, Islander from Long Island Watch. This is the Islander ISL 19, homage to Seiko SKX, and did a video on it as well. Woo! I just love that thing. All right. Moving on to this G Shock. So now my buddy Tim, he likes vibrant colors. This is the Armatron, and this I mean, look at that. Isn't that's a beauty. So this is the orange model, and comes around this foam cushion inside the can there. And so here it is. This is the G Shock. Let me just get that band out of here. So Casio G Shock. Here it is. My first impressions. It's a pretty cool looking watch. I like the orange color. Really nice. Underside is black. On the sides of the band you can see that black, so there's some nice contrast with the black and orange. This one is neat. I haven't really learned how to use the watch yet. I'm going to be tinkering quite a bit with it today. Rather than reading the instruction manual, I'm just going to tinker with it. For the Armatron, I ended up having to read the instruction manual, so I don't know if that's a good sign or not. You should be able to figure out a watch without having to turn to the manual, but there was a function on this watch that I had to, and you can see that in the unbox of that, or a review of that. But I like the hour and the minute hand on this, and evidently, like there's no crown. You don't set the analog time on this watch. As soon as you set the digital time, the analog hands will turn and adjust to the time that you set. First impression right off the bat, I will say that the analog time is obviously nice and clear, very legible with the orange hands against that black dial background. But the digital time, now I'm just looking at it through the camera here, but that digital time isn't too legible. First impression is the legibility of at least the digital component of the watch on the bottom there. Not quite legible, but this is nice. The band is, all of this is resin, basically a plastic. The band is nice and firm. Feels comfortable underneath. I'm sure it will hug the wrist really nice. I'll give a quick wrist shot too. This band here in comparison is a lot more soft, but probably obviously not as durable as this. These are known for their durability. So anyways, my first impression is this is cracking. I like the orange. Tim, good job on the vibrant color choice. And legibility for the analog, good. Not so good for the digital. And we'll see how the watch functions and works as I go with it for a couple of days. So thanks again, Tim. Let me give you a wrist shot, and then I'll be rocking this for a couple of days. And on Sunday night or first thing Monday morning, the full review of this one will drop. Let's take a look at this case back for a second and see if we can read the model number, if it's on here. So the 5081 Casio GA-100L G Shock Resist. So stainless steel screwed down case back on that one. All right. So let's see what it looks like on wrist, and then tune in later on this week for the full review. And here it is on my 7.5 to 7 3/4, but basically 7.5 inch wrist. I mean, it's a bit of a whopper, isn't it? You can see the G Shock etched into that buckle there. Not sure if that buckle is stainless steel. Didn't feel like stainless steel. Felt like it might just be an alloy buckle, but we'll look into that further. But yeah, check that out. Quite the profile on the wrist there. And it's a little bit smaller than the Armatron was, so I think I could live with the size of this. Anyway, there it is. G Shock 5081 something 100L, GA-100L. Looking good. Thanks, Tim. Full review coming up later on. And as always, when you leave your house, make sure you have a great looking piece on your wrist. This one, what a beaut. What a monster. G Shock. And make sure wherever you're going, you guys get there on time. God bless you guys. We'll see you for the review of this one later on this week.